Hello families, welcome to Virtual Open House 2021. My name is Miss Stevenson and I am so excited to be your child's teacher this year. I graduated from Slippery Rock University of Pennsylvania in 2014 with my Bachelor of Science degree in both early childhood and special education. I moved to Florida in 2015 and began my teaching career at Polk County Public Schools. I have now been teaching for over 6 years. This will be my 7th year teaching and will also be my 5th year working with ESE students. I enjoy spending time with my husband and our pets. We have 3 dogs named Oreo, Muppet, and Teddy, and we also have 5 guinea pigs. We enjoy camping and visiting Bok Tower Gardens with our dogs, and I enjoy reading in my spare time. I'm excited to build a relationship with you and your child this school year. Here are amazing paraeducators. They work alongside me to help support your child's learning in so many ways. We have Miss Velez and Miss Carmen. We're all working very hard to keep Sand Hill as germ-free as possible this school year. Masks are optional for students and staff this school year. Please don't send your child to school if they are sick. We are washing hands often and hand sanitizer is available. Students are social distancing as much as possible, and there is an air purifier in every classroom. I will be communicating with you through Class Dojo and your child's agenda this school year. You can contact me through Class Dojo or your child's agenda with any questions or concerns. My email is haley.stevenson@polk-fl.net. Here is our classroom schedule. From 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. we have literacy block. From 10 a.m. until 10:50 a.m. is specials. 10:50 to 11:30 is science. We have lunch from 11:30 to noon. From noon to 1:15 we have math block. 1:15 to 1:35 we have recess. 1:35 to 2:45 we have power hour. And then 2:45 to 3 o'clock we prepare for dismissal. Our special schedule follows a crane rotation, so each day has a different letter. On C day, your child has PE. On R day, they have PE. A day is also PE. We have music on N day, and we have art on E day. The following is the curriculum that I will be using with my kindergarten students this school year. It is different from the curriculum that my first and second grade students will be using because the state of Florida made changes over the summer and kindergarten can no longer be taught using modified curriculum. For reading, they have Wonders. Wonders is an evidence-based K-5 ELA program that empowers students to take an active role in learning and exploration. Students enjoy opportunities to express and assess themselves through reading, writing, and speaking. For math, they have Go Math. Go Math incorporates the latest thinking in its comprehensive approach and engages digital natives with cross-platform technology. It helps teachers to differentiate instruction, building and reinforcing foundational math skills that translate from the classroom to real life. The following is the curriculum that I will be using with my first and second grade students this school year. For both reading and math, we have the Unique Learning System, which is a modified curriculum. Unique Learning System is a one-of-a-kind solution designed specifically to help students with special learning needs master their state's extended standards. From one convenient cloud-based platform, educators deliver differentiated, standards-aligned content enhanced by powerful assessments, data tools, and evidence-based instructional support. We also have access to News to You. News to You is a symbol-supported newspaper that connects students with autism and other unique learning needs to current events. Here is some information about the FSAA. This does not apply until 3rd grade. All Florida students participate in the state's assessment and accountability system. The Florida Standards Alternate Assessment is designed for students whose participation in the General Statewide Assessment Program, FSA, is not appropriate even with accommodations. The FSAA is based on the Florida Standards Access Points for English Language Arts and Mathematics, and on the Next Generation Sunshine State Standards Access Points for Science and Social Studies. Access points are academic expectations written specifically for students with significant cognitive disabilities. They reflect the essence or core intent of the standard that apply to all students in the same grade, but at reduced levels of complexity. My paraeducators and I will be working on IEP goals with your child every school day. Progress toward IEP goals will be monitored regularly, and you will receive a progress report for your child each quarter. Accommodations based on the IEP are provided daily for your child as well. Here are some ways you can support your child's learning at home. You can demonstrate a positive attitude about education to your child. Showing your child that you value education and use it in your daily life provides them with powerful models and contributes greatly to their success in school. You can monitor your child's television, video game, and internet use. You can encourage your child to read. Reading helps children in all school subjects, and it is the key to lifelong learning. You can talk with your child. Talking and listening play major roles in children's school success. You can encourage your child to use the library. Libraries are places of learning and discovery for everyone. Encourage your child to be responsible and work independently. You can help your child to develop these qualities by establishing reasonable rules that you enforce consistently, making it clear to your child that they must take responsibility for what they do, both at home and at school. And you can encourage active learning. Active learning involves asking and answering questions, solving problems, and exploring interests. Active learning also can take place when your child plays sports and spends time with friends. We have snack time every day at 2:45 p.m. while we are preparing for dismissal. Your child can bring a small snack to enjoy during this time. Our school-wide CRANE expectations are: C stands for courteous. Courteous is being polite and respectful to others and their property. R stands for responsible. Responsible is doing what needs to be done, even if it is not fun. A stands for attentive. Attentive is paying attention and following directions. N stands for noble. Noble is doing the right thing, even if no one is looking. And E stands for exemplary. Exemplary is being the example. My paraeducators and I use token boards and first then visuals with your child to encourage and reinforce positive behaviors. Your child will earn smiley faces for their token boards when they follow our classroom rules, make happy face choices, and follow the CRANE expectations. Reward choices for earning smiley faces include educational games on the iPad, building with STEM materials, a walk with a teacher or paraeducator, Jack Hartman videos, puzzles, sidewalk chalk, coloring, and more. We are going to have a great year learning together.